right, here we go. October 1st. Let's check out some more moves. BLDR. I just called this on a swing yesterday. I'm not sure if it was a day before, even, this day, a few days after, before that. Call the swing now. We're at 128, so the swing is hitting. You can check it out on YouTube, TikTok. I did call this. That's why I'm writing all these down now, calling them out. And let's take a look at it. BLDR, Builder's First Source. So this was going down in June. Hit about 102.60, trend line up. You can see the back and forth moves. You start to get a trend line formed. He going up for months. And then we hit a big problem here, 9.8, 149.35. Tried to go up here as a fake out, then you go all the way down. And this is where the swing comes into play. This is a classic falling wedge. When you see a pattern like this coming out of a move up, excuse me, and look at this going down. This is a classic pattern. It's a falling wedge pattern. You have rising wedge, falling wedges down, and this is bullish long. You're oversold. What do you see here? Back and forth, drop down to the low. You're down a 158 stochastic. It's like, where do you think this is going? Now, it's not a penny stock. You're not just going down. This can stay low for a long time. You're up today 6%. On this low was 116.30 at 128.80. Beautiful move. Now we'll just keep going. Well, you're trying to play it at least over the 50 line. I mean, you never know for sure. Red candle could come in here. It could be a fake out. We're totally crossed over, you could say, since 926. Weekly chart, you have a big green candle. Now we're not crossed in the weekly yet. You need to turn that cross, slightly turning, but it's not there yet. Monthly is almost turning negative. So you got to watch this. 4 hours made a good run. You're getting overbought. It means it could be a pullback. That doesn't mean the move's over. So you have to watch for that. Check my other chart here. You always want bigger moves on swings. I like this to go higher. My chart's updating here, so let's take a look at it here. Builder's First Source. There's the move up, the lower line. You have that loop now. 14 billion market cap, 756 million income. Institutions at 99%. Yeah, it's had some good runs. 10 years. It's been a major runner, but it's struggling recently. And what do they do exactly? Manufacture, building materials, components, construction, home builders, vinyl, windows, custom millwork, trim. It was founded by Kevin O'Meara, Donald McAllen, John D. Roach, 1998, headquarters, Irving, Texas. So supply and manufacture building materials. Any news? Announces 2 acquisitions in turnkey millwork solutions. That was today, so it could have been why we popped. And that's where we're at right now. So this is looking better for a move back up, oversold. You can see here the back and forth motion's been coming down since 24. Monthly chart, you can see it's been in a downtrend. So, we're trying to play this small move here. You're trying to play this move and come up now on moves like this. You're talking 150, 116, looking for like this 135-ish, somewhere in the middle. Then you see what happens. It's going to get straight up. It's not that easy all the time. A lot of times you will come up, it'll be moves down, back up. You just want to see, though, this weekly turn. If this weekly turns, you start to come up, that's a good sign. If it doesn't have a crossover yet, this will be a fake out. Then you're going down deeper. Like, just say you would put in a red candle tomorrow. That you'd have to watch. That could be trouble. Or it could be just the next day it'll go back green. So we'll see on that. I'm trying to see if my chart's updating yet. Come on, update, update, update. Slowly moving here, slowly moving. Come on. You're so slow. All right, anyway, I'm not waiting for that. So the wage, out of it, you already made profit here. From the low 116, you're already up $12 on this move. And you see it separating here. Let me see, what was that 4 hour again? 4 hour overbought. 2 hour, you're staying in overbought zone. 1 hour, had that loop and we went down, came back up. Looks good right now. We'll see what tomorrow brings on this. BLDR, called the swing. We're crushing it. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button.